Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Mr.RC, and if you want to do me a favor, go ahead, click the like button down below. That'll help me out so much. I would very much appreciate it. Now, if you remember, if you've seen my video week before last, I made this massive pool noodle circle plane. It didn't work too well. I didn't have enough power, yada yada yada. Didn't fly, but got a new motor, so let's go see how it flies. Alright, so the plan is this time, I think we're going to... It was kind of flying off to the left last time. Don't forget the plan, let's just slap the motor on and see how it flies. Alright, welcome back. Today we got a new motor put on it, and yeah, new ESC. That's about it, really. Here we go. Hopefully this is the last time. I'm kind of tired of having it around. It's kind of like trash. Alright, here we go. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're back. I put on a smaller prop from the get-go with this bigger motor. I thought I'd be able to handle the weight, but apparently not. So I went with the original prop we started out with. Should have done that in the first place. Okay, so as you saw, the noodle plane didn't work out so well. My plan to slap the motor on just totally failed.
It's gonna take a lot more than potatoes to bring this baby down! Oh, maybe not.
But I got to thinking, I think we should just slap a whole new fuselage on it, because there's so much extra weight on here that we really don't need. Like all these barbecue skewers and stuff. I think we get rid of that, get rid of all that junk. Yeah, we'll try it again. Hopefully it works. Alright, so please excuse the water pump in the background. Sorry, it's kind of loud. Can't really control that though. But here is the new Pool Noodle circle plane. Alright, so as you can see, I have revamped the fuselage. I ripped out the old one. It's actually sitting over there in a pile. Instead of using barbecue skewers and tape, I actually used foam board in like an X pattern along the inside. I did also put the fuselage on top of the wing. And I replaced the tail with foam board as well, which decreased the weight a lot. And out of this whole process, I lost about 200 grams of weight from the airframe, so it is way lighter. So hopefully it works. See, I've got a really good feeling about it this time, so let's get out there. It finally just shut off. But yeah, let's get out there, test it, and see how it flies. Alright, so we're finally ready to try out the Pool Noodle plane, circle plane. This is a different camera view, so if you guys like it, let me know down in the comments below. Or if you want me to go back to the normal one, also comment that as well. But enough said, let's get it going. Okay, and my dad's launching it, so give him a comment down below too. Alright, you ready? I know. Alright guys, we're gonna have to wrap this video up. I apologize, I haven't been able to get it to fly. It's not working. It's still underpowered for whatever reason. I mean, maybe it's the fact that it's made out of pool noodles. But, I mean, I've poured a lot of time into this, and it's just not wanting to fly, so I'm gonna save it. Maybe one day I'll eventually get it to fly, but yeah, I just don't see it happening right now. So I sincerely want to thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you like this stuff and you want to see more of it, and yeah, that's all. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.